Are you tired of looking at overpriced, picked-over homes online? Would you like free access to pre-listed houses and houses that are not on the market but will be shortly? Let me go over one of the biggest problems we're seeing in real estate right now. It's the shortage of inventory. I'm hearing this from sellers and buyers alike that they want to move to a house, but they just can't find the next house. Well, the biggest problem is there is a shortage of real estate online for buyers to buy out there. This has been happening for quite some time. Actually, since 2020, we've seen a lack of inventory out there, and it's getting smaller and smaller every single year. But the issue really is that more houses are selling. It's just more houses are selling offline, meaning they're not even coming on the market and they're being scooped up. You can see this article I'm talking about here, where houses are getting scooped before they're listed. It's shutting people out of home ownership. So today I want to show you how we operate differently. We can find you houses before they come on the MLS, before they come on Zillow, and before they come on Realtor.com, and how our VIP buyer program helps you to do this. So first of all, we're going to look at how most agents typically operate out there. What they do is they make a random search through multiple listing service. Multiple listing service is just where all real estate agents put all the information on all the houses on the market that they've listed for sale. And that syndicates to websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and so forth. And what most they do is they pick you 5, 6, or 7 houses maybe they think you'll be interested in, and then they go to show you one of them. And hopefully that one is not sold by the time you get there. The problem with this system is the wrong person is deciding which house you're going to go see. So with my one-of-a-kind VIP home buyer system, what it does is it puts you in the driver's seat, puts you in control. We then match what you're looking for with our specific target marketing to go into the neighborhoods to find you the perfect home. We contact these homeowners on your behalf, and we let them know that a buyer is looking for your home. The homeowners, if they're interested, allow us to bring you through the home. We'll bring you through the property and see if you're interested. Now, keep in mind, as we show you these properties, these homes are not listed for sale. There's no for sale sign on the front lawn. It's probably not in showroom condition. The seller is just looking to sell the property and not put their house on the market. But you are able to benefit with a specific target marketing program because these homes are not listed, as I said, so you're able to beat out the other buyers to the property. There's no link to send you with these houses though. There's no pictures because the house is literally not on the market. So the benefits is you're no longer having to go and get overexcited about a property that you just can't buy because it's already sold, or sorting through all the junk that's out there, the houses that you're not interested in, or getting into a bidding war with 50 other buyers that are all paying cash. So you're getting access to these houses before anybody else even knows they're for sale to avoid all of those problems. So if you're just looking but would like to get access to our unlisted and pre-market homes, simply tell us what you're looking for, the type of home you're looking for, the area, the price range, and we'll use a specific target marketing approach to get into those areas and find the ideal home for you before they become publicly available. Just call or text me at 856-485-8312.